Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita for those of you who are new to the channel. I love talking about language learning and teaching. I'm also planning to vlog more often from now on to share with you what life is like as an English teacher in Australia. So if you're interested in this kind of content, join the family. I am super excited to make this vlog for you guys today. I have a lot more free time this weekend where I can finally spend a little bit more time doing things other than work. If you're a teacher, you will know how hectic it normally gets during the semester. Now that I have a free weekend where I don't have to worry about work at all, I'm going to make the most of it. Maybe go for a run. Yup. I'm definitely gonna go for a run.
12 seconds later. 20 minutes later.
Dun, 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 dun. So, as you can see, I did a little bit of shopping the other day and I got myself a new laptop. So this is MacBook Pro. The reason why I decided to get myself a new laptop, it's not that there's anything wrong with the one that I have got right now. It's just because it's an old laptop. It's like 6 years old and it's not functioning as well as it used to be, and a lot of software applications that I want to try for video editing are not compatible with this model. So that's just a bit tricky, and I really want to learn more about video editing and stuff, and then with the current laptop that I have got now, it's simply impossible, which is why I decided to just invest a little bit of money in a new laptop. And yeah, now how do I open this one? I need scissors. Give me a second. Pink and white, my favorite colors. Okay, all right, so let's unbox this thing. I know a lot of people, every time when they buy a new gadget, electronic device, they get really excited and they just want to open it and learn how to use it straight away. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those people. I remember before when my brother was still living with us, because he would get so excited about the new things I bought, and then I would just pass this to him. He will learn how to use my new laptop, my new phone and everything, and then he would just teach me how to use it, and that saved me a lot of time. But now that my brother is not living with me anymore, I'm pretty much on my own. I have to figure out how to use this myself. Has anyone got any pro tips for MacBook Pro? How's my hair looking? Oh, I'm not really liking my fringe today, but oh well. And also apparently teachers get 10% discount on all the Apple products. But 2 days ago, when I was at the Apple store with my cousin, and then just when I was about to pay, and then I forgot to tell them that I was a teacher again, like it happened before with my phone. When I got myself an iPhone 11 earlier this year, and then I completely forgot to tell them that I'm a teacher because educators get discounts. And then I almost forgot again this time. Luckily, my cousin reminded me. So I saved $200 on this baby. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Oh, I'm so scared. I don't want to scratch it or anything. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so now I just need to learn how to use this thing. Can't be that hard, right? Okay. Whoa. Okay. This has come off. Excellent.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times.
Your VoiceOver commands by pressing the VoiceOver modifier and one or more other keys. You can set the VoiceOver modifier to be the caps lock key or the control and option keys pressed at the same time. But you can change the VoiceOver modifier in VoiceOver utility. The caps lock key is the third key up from the key to the left of the space bar. The control key is immediately to the option and control keys are also available as the second and third keys to the right of the space bar. During this quick start, when you need to enter a VoiceOver command, you will hear something like, press VO right there.
So I think I've got the basics set up now, but I still have to transfer all the stuff on my old laptop to my new laptop because at the moment there's literally nothing on my new laptop. But I need to figure out how to do that. But I'm very excited about like getting this all set up, and once it's all set up, I am going to make more videos. And I mean, I haven't really been making videos as much as I'd like. As I mentioned before, I am teaching full-time and it gets quite hectic sometimes. Well, I mean, I don't want to be one of those people who are always like, oh, I'm so busy, I don't have time for anything. But in the past, I did tend to spread myself too thin and I ended up not enjoying what is supposed to bring me joy. So I'm gonna try my very best to avoid that now that I'm older and wiser. Yeah, so I'm only going to make videos when I feel inspired to make videos. Having said that, I'm still committed to making videos as much as I can and getting better at it as well. But it's going to be probably a slow process, but I'm just really glad to have you on this journey with me. Can you wear a mask during the exam?
Yeah.
Oh, you can? Okay. Yeah. Right, you can.
It will be easy to cheat.
Oh yes, like if you had the mask on and then like during the exam, I think I've seen a meme, yeah, where like if you just like take it off and then you would be able to see your nose like inside the mask. They're gonna have to check everyone's mask when you go in. Yeah. So I just finished my conversation class and this is actually my second time running the class, and that was a lot of fun being able to talk to people from different parts of the world. And there was this one guy who was saying that he was thinking of coming to Australia next year, and it was just very good to be able to just give him some like insight into what it's like living in Australia. And then we were also talking about how the virus is kind of like affecting our lives as well. So yeah, it was just very interesting to talk to different people. And I am actually thinking of doing this more often from now on. So if you're interested in this kind of chat and stuff, then yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you're interested, and hopefully you can all come and join me next week and we can have a chat and a hangout. It's lunchtime, so I'm just having the leftovers from last night. I went to a friend's place last night for a visit, and then we made some really yummy Polish food. This one apparently is like a traditional Polish dish. I can't remember what it's called in Polish. My friend told me, but I've got such a terrible memory. I'll find out, but if I remember correctly, I think the direct translation was like to English was pigeon. I could be wrong. Well, I must be wrong. I'll find out. Anyway, so basically it's like cabbage rolls with minced pork and rice inside, and it's got it's really yummy with some tomato paste. And yeah, so I'm gonna have a quick lunch and then get on with my day.
2 hours later.
I'm out having my second lunch with a friend now. I had my first lunch like 2 hours ago. But if there's one thing you should know about me, that is I get hungry very easily. So having my second lunch now, and I'll talk to you guys a bit later. See ya! So I just got home a while ago and I can't believe how quickly this weekend has gone by. It's so important for me to just disconnect myself from work completely every now and then, so when I come back to it, I'd feel much more centered and relaxed. Now, before we finish, I've got something really exciting to share with you. A couple of weeks ago, when I shared one of my videos in a Facebook group, someone asked me if I had a Facebook page as well, which I thought was a great idea. So I think it can really be a place where we can hang out virtually and get to know each other better in this community. And I'm also aiming to post a couple of times a week to share more bite-sized English learning tips and update you on my life as an English teacher in Australia. So it's up and running now on Facebook. I'll include the link somewhere here. I'd love for you to join the Facebook community. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!